That's so me, always being late. I hope I will get a good grade today, because I was working yesterday and I had no time to study. And after school I need to work again. Oh, I just want this day to be over. Wait. Oh,
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm also sorry.
Jasmine, how are you late again?
It won't happen again. Sorry, do you have a pen for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to calm down. The exam is starting and I'm going to pass. Oh my god, I don't know anything. I'm going to fail this class.
Do you have a good feeling about it?
I didn't write that much, but I think I'm...
Really? It was so easy. Maybe it's harder for you because you are not from here.
But I was born here, so
It's not the same, you know? Your parents are different.
Anyways, I need to go to work, so bye. Hello, welcome. How can I help you?
Just give me an orange juice and pizza with vegetables.
Okay.
Faster, please.
Here you go, and the
Thanks.
pizza is gonna be in 10 minutes.
Yeah. You're taking so long. I'll just go to the bathroom.
Oh, hey, Jasmine.
Hey,
How are you?
good, and you?
I'm fine.
So, you want to hold the pizza?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure.
Here.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you.
Who was that? Is that your boyfriend or something?
What? He?
Yeah.
No. He's just my cousin, and he is like 10 years older than me, so...
But I mean, in your culture, it's always like that. I mean, come on.
What do you mean?
I mean, come on. Like girls like you get married really soon, so maybe it's better if you return where you came from. I mean,
You know what? You should go away.
what?
Yeah, you should go away.
Okay.
I don't want you.